So hello, it's me Ayush. I'm an MBA student here at Southeastern Louisiana University, and today I'm going to present a short presentation on generative AI tool that is Grok AI by XAI company by Elon Musk. So Grok AI basically it's a chatbot which was established or which was launched on November 2023, and from then till now we have got five different updates, five different models. Basically today I will just present about its introduction, its features, and then basically what are its what are its implications and uses from business perspective. So let's get started. Basically Grok is a chatbot, it's a generative chatbot. So we can use it from three different ways. First thing is we can visit its website. We can just search Grok, and then we can visit its website. So this is its official website, this is the user interface. We can get access to Grok from here, or we can get access to Grok from X. If we have X account, then we just got to see this in the left corner here. There is Grok. We can use it from here. It's it's integrated with X, so it's easy to use from here also. And we can just simply download it from App Store or Play Store. So talking about features, we got to see a bunch of features here in left corner, and so these are the features of Grok. So first thing is Ask. So Ask is basically it's a chat where we just put our prompt or our queries or command, and we just let it solve. So it generates the outcome, and here it has some of the features like auto or fast or expert. So fast will bring up less information, but it gives us quick response. And about expert, it takes a long time, think hard, but it brings deeper knowledge. And for using heavy or super Grok, we need to subscribe. It's a premium version. So these are the features of here, and from here we can upload a file. We can add text content over here, and we can simply draw a sketch. We can simply draw a sketch, and we can just uh, give it as a prompt or command, and we can connect to Google Drive, and retrieve our documents from there and give it as a command. And we can even connect to Microsoft Office, and we can do the same thing here. So it's a really good features. It's loaded with features over here. And the next thing is voice. We can like simply speak and give our input, and they will analyze and interpret it, and they will respond it through voice. So it's like talking with voice assistant. It's also really a good feature. And the next thing is imagine, and this particular thing is what I really liked about this Grok. Its imagine feature is so much advanced that image which I just tried earlier. I asked it our product and writing its name as mega on its tank, and just they work on small details like for example, I will just give a prompt over here. Imagine a solar heater. Imagine a solar heater named Mega Solar on its tank from Kathmandu Valley. It's so realistic, and the landscape, it's it's the same we get in Kathmandu. The houses in the background that are blurred are also very much similar, and we got these pagoda style houses which are famous. That's very great thing. So particularly this imagine feature will help alert for marketing. Talking about the next feature, that is files. We can simply find the list of the files that we have that we have shared or received from the Grok. So it's the list of files throughout the Grok. And the next thing is task. This task is it's quite interesting and a useful feature of Grok. Like we just assign them a task and they will do that for us. Simply uh, just we set the frequency, how often we want that, we want that certain things to be done, then what time do we need that, and then we just add our prompt over here. Like for example, frequency, if I set the frequency once and at time 5 p.m., September 5 2025, and then if I said create task, then okay, they will just certainly send me email 1 p.m. It's 4:57 p.m. right now. Whenever it's 5 p.m., they will send me an email on my. So next feature is projects. So simply it's, if we attach here some of the attachment, and if we give it instruction, what kind of instruction do we need to be, will it simply will memorize or remember. We have whatever instruction we have given to it. So once we come back and we wish to work on that project again, then we don't need to give them all the information. They just have every information stored here. They will just pull it back and they will work, and yeah, the work will be very easy, and then that's it about it. So here we can simply get the history of whatever we have visit. We got to know about all the features of Grok, how Grok works, what actually Grok is. So now let's go into the main topic, that is how Grok helps in business. So how does Grok help in business, or what does a business, or how does a business can get benefit from Grok? So I'll shortly explain it. Grok will help a lot in business. Like I mentioned earlier, it is integrated with X, so we can get real time insight, and then um, Grok are much familiar with trends, because whatever trend comes in that acts, they can retrieve it, and they can use it for generating results. So our whatever our result is, it will be trend friendly, or it will be much updated and recent. So that will be really be helpful, and basically for marketing purpose, it boosts marketing, because whatever the product preference are, or what kind of market, what kind of preference is in the market, that are known by the post or anything that are available on X or other websites. Grok also helps business in improving its customer relations, as Grok helps business know about the customer, their preference, and then their if any sort of negative feedback are there, then Grok will figure it out. And then if any sort of negative, if any sort of post regarding to the certain services or products are there in X, then they will they will retrieve it, and business, they can further text or email. Even Grok helps to compose those texts and emails, so that will help a business to maintain a good relation with their customers. And not only that, Grok also they also have lots of marketing ideas, like certain kinds of schemes or certain kinds of rewards for loyal customers. So these are all the ideas that Grok can provide a business, and that will help improve customer relations. So that's a very big advantage of Grok. So Grok also helps business to save their time and cost. Like a particular business, as they automates the task, they cut off the waste time, they cut off the unnecessary manpower, and that will end up uh, minimizing the cost and saving the time of a business. So these were some of the importance and features of Grok, and I would like to mention that it's not just limited. There are lots of other importance of Grok for business. So if you properly use Grok, then it will not just be a chatbot. It will be your best and smart business partner that will help you a lot in daily basis. So yeah, that is it. And thank you for this opportunity, Dr. Harold Davis. If there is anything I have to improve, then please let me know. Thank you so much.